Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening sound settings so you can reset every useful control. First, sign in with an admin account. Windows may need elevated rights to change drivers. Right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar and choose Open Sound Settings. You'll see Output and Input devices. Take note of the current output device and volume level so you can compare later. Once done, click Sound Control Panel on the right to access classic device options. Make sure to leave this window open for the next steps. Now reset devices and refresh drivers to remove misconfigurations. In the Sound Control Panel, pick your speaker, click Properties, go to Advanced and choose Restore Defaults, then Disable Enhancements. Next, open Device Manager. Expand sound, video, and game controllers, right-click your audio device and uninstall device. Check Delete Driver software if available. Reboot the PC so Windows reinstalls generic drivers automatically. If audio remains off, download the latest driver from the manufacturer and install it. Make sure to restart once installation completes. Complete the reset by confirming services and running quick diagnostics. Open services and ensure Windows Audio and Audio Endpoint Builder are running and set to automatic. Start them if needed. Then run settings right arrow update and security right arrow troubleshoot, right arrow additional troubleshooters, right arrow playing audio to let Windows try fixes. Finally, test with multiple apps and a different cable or headphones to isolate hardware problems. If sound still fails, remember this troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.